Hi guys, I'm going to make banana nut bread. So the ingredients um all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and 1 cup of butter. 2 small sticks. Each one is like a half a cup. So 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half a cup of sugar I'm going to use, and 4 ripened bananas, baking powder, and I have taken pecans today. Usually I will take walnuts, but I don't have them today, so I'm going to use pecans, and 2 eggs. So I'm going to first soften the butter. So it is softened nicely. Now I'm going to add it. Now I'm going to add half a cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to whisk them, sugar and the butter. See, it looks good, nicely whisked. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs to this. You don't want any eggshells in there. Now let's whisk it. See, nicely mixed. And now let's mash the bananas. So I used 4 bananas. I'm going to mash them nicely with this. It's a very handy masher. Look how nicely I'm able to mash it. Instead of the fork is very hard to. It's mashed. Add the bananas to the sugar and the butter mixture. Let's whisk them. now I'm going to add like half a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. A pinch of salt. You can add more salt if you want a salty banana nut cake. So this is a wet ingredient and this is a dry one. So now I'm going to add, so mix it nicely, the baking powder and the flour. Now let's add little by little and start mixing it. Now let me add the pecans. I'm going to grease the pan. Smooth, smooth, smooth. So looks good. And now I'm going to bake it for 30 minutes in 375, or you can use 350. See you in 30 minutes. So it's been 40 minutes. So in between, like, I checked and it was not done by 30 minutes. So I just left it for 10 more minutes. Now let's see. Looks awesome. So let me keep it and let it cool down. It has to cool down completely before we slice it. Let's see if it is cooled down. I can hold it. It's not hot here, but when I touch here, it's hot. So I cannot slice it yet. Have to wait. I think it's not hot, but still it's mildly warm here. I'm able to hold it. Here it's hot. Okay, let's take it out of the pan. Looks great. Now let's slice it. It's still hot, not ready to. I couldn't wait. Okay, let me leave it little bit more to cool down. Pretend that we haven't sliced it yet. All right. Can't wait anymore. I'm going to slice it. Slice is perfect. Looks awesome. Let me taste it. So I'll taste. I'll taste this slice. It's tasting excellent, and I love the pecans in it, and it's not too sweet. So it's not, you can eat it like for a morning breakfast. You can have it because I added less sugar, so it's not like it's more like a breakfast than like a dessert. So enjoy, try this recipe. Bye.